for you. Going to the moon.
Hey, what up, y'all? It's KoolKard, and I'm back again with another episode of All Cool Stuff. You know, I'm back with another product. I got the new Pogo earpods by V-Nex. Yes, new earpods, 4.1 Bluetooth technology, sweat-proof, has a metallic casing. I'll get into them and I'll show you in just a second. But these are wireless. They go around your neck, go in your ear. You can run with them. You can jog with them. You can dance with them. Whatever you want to do with them. They won't fall out. They are noise canceling because they have the gel tips on them. The earpods themselves, they have a metallic casing, all black, stealth. You know I like it all black, so they did me right while sending me these. But yeah, gel tips, noise canceling is good, because you cannot hear anything outside of what's going on in these headphones. Alright, so if you're talking to somebody, you're not going to hear outside noise, really. If you're listening to your music, you definitely won't hear outside noise. Now, I tested these things out, and these are superb. The bass is really good. Rolling bass, 808 sounds great. So if you like to listen to your trap, rap, and you got that 808 rolling, boom. These are for you, because they sound really good. And it's not muffled, it's not muddy, the clarity is good, the treble is good, voices you can hear very well, the mids are good as well, the mid-range are good as well. I showed you guys some Oh La La headphones a little while back, and they weren't so great, they were okay. Oh La La normally makes good stuff, but actually I used them and they died in about a week, to be honest with you. And I know Oh La La probably don't want me to say that, but I just gotta keep it real with you. They died in about a week, but they did last for 8 hours, like it said, as advertised. And these last for 8 hours. Talk and music, they last for 8 hours. Takes about 2 hours to charge. And what's cool about these is this has a multi-function button, right? Turn it on. You can accept calls by clicking the multi-button once. You can end the call by clicking it once. If you want to reject the call, you hit the up button twice, and it rejects the call. Now, if you want to transfer it back to, say, your cell phone, you can hit the multi button and hold it for 2 seconds. No, I'm sorry. You can hit the up button, the volume up button, hold that for 2 seconds, and it's gonna basically switch it over to your headset. And then if you want to switch it back, you do the same thing. Now, if you want to reject the call, you hit the down button twice, and it rejects the call. Alright, so you can do a couple things with this button, this multi-button here. Yeah, I mean, it's cool. I don't think the Oh La La's did that. So this has a one-up on it. They are $32.99 on Amazon. You can check it out. Go check them out. Hit the links down below, and you can go check that out. I have them for all different countries down there. So somewhere down there, you'll see that. Click it. If you're watching in Europe, there's a link for you down there. Alright, cool. You're welcome. But yeah, these are pretty cool, man. I like these. I give these a thumbs up. A+. Bam. You know, good product here. V-Nex Pogo headset. I love it. You did me right by this. They sound really good. The bass is great. And the volume. Did I mention the volume? The volume is pretty good. Still not as great as the Apple AirPods. Those reign supreme for me right now. But it's better. It's better than the Oh La La's. The volume is just right. I think it's just right, so you don't bust your eardrums. Just right. And you can connect this to 2 phones. And you can switch back and forth. So if you got 2 phones, like Kevin Gates, no worries. You can connect it to 2 phones. I don't know what you want to do that for, but you can. Cool. Until next time, it's your boy Cool. And I'll be back with something else. I'm going to have a couple tips for you, because I haven't given you guys a couple tips in a while. I've been reviewing little things like this, little knick-knack items like this. But I got some tips coming for you, and I think you're going to like it. I really think you're going to like it. Hey, you guys make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the thumbs down. Whatever you like. You know, hit the bell, the notification bell, so anytime I post some new stuff, it's going to come right to your phone and let you know, hey, KoolKard's in the mix again. Alright? Y'all stay cool, man. I appreciate y'all. Peace.
Going to the moon for you. Going to the moon. And I see spaceships and rockets. Gold heart-shaped lockets. I'm the plug in the socket.